To lift a load, approach it slowly and carefully. The forklift should be centered squarely in front of the load with the forks set at the correct height and width. If you need to, shift the forks left or right to square them under the load. Level the forks before inserting them under the load, and make sure you get the forks as far underneath as you can. But be careful not to let them pass all the way under if there are objects on the other side that the forks could catch. Before lifting, put the forklift in neutral and set the handbrake, and then check the clearance directly above and behind you. Slowly lift the load, and then tilt the forks back slightly to stabilize the load against the backrest. Extreme care must be taken when tilting the load either forward or backward, especially when stacking loads or placing them on high shelves. When a load is elevated, you must only tilt it forward when the load is in a deposit position over its intended stack or shelf. When stacking or tiering, use only enough backward tilt to stabilize the load. Once you've lifted the load, be careful not to turn too quickly. When removing or placing a pallet from a stack, use the inching pedal while the load is lifted over the stack. Again, to stabilize the load, tilt the forks back slightly. Once you're clear of the stack, slowly lower the forks to a safe traveling height.